this would be the first T-Rex sold in the city?
Mm-hmm.
So
well, it's the first one in Fayetteville. If somebody got one somewhere else and brought it into town, I don't know about it.
So you would be the first salesman to sell a T-Rex, and I'll be the first customer to accept delivery of one.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. What about the launch edition? Is that just one the dealer ordered?
There's a deposit on it. A customer has a deposit on it, but we're still waiting on it to ship from the factory to us.
So I will have mine before that customer has theirs.
You will have yours first, yes.
Perfect. That's all I needed to know. This is Tim, the finance director. He's handling my deal with his TRX, and we're going to put our deposit. Make sure nobody else can buy my vehicle. I'll let you count that.
All right.
It's all there, I promise. I didn't bring my counterfeit pen.
Dang it. This is going to take a minute.
No worries. Welcome back to another Tech Junkie video. I'm super excited for today's video. I did a video recently where I talked about why you should not buy a TRX. The point in that video was to make sure people were aware of the markups and what the markups meant for that vehicle. Do not buy one of those trucks if you're going to be expected to pay a giant markup, tens of thousands of dollars. I mentioned in that video that my local Dodge dealer has a TRX coming in, and last night I was put in contact with my sales rep that sold me the last few vehicles that I've purchased from there, and I'm going down to talk some numbers with them today. If we can make a deal happen with that TRX, it's supposed to be delivered this weekend sometime next week. I'm hoping to get the truck. I said in yesterday's video that I wanted one. I'm not telling people not to buy that truck. Just don't buy that truck at the wrong price. Don't let the dealer mark it up. And that's what I told my rep last night. I said, hey, I want that truck, but they can't start adding a bunch of stuff that I don't want. They can't start putting a bunch of markups on it. If you want it sold before it hits the lot, I'll take it. I want it, but do the deal the right way. Don't mark it up. I was talking with my sales rep. I've been dealing with Jim for several years, and he said that he has his own motivations for wanting to get this deal done. He was the first one to sell a Viper at this dealership, and he'll be the first one to sell the TRX. And I couldn't be happier for him if that's what happens. I'll be the first person in the city to own a TRX, and he'll be the first sales rep in the city to sell one. So got to go to work. We'll hear back from them later this afternoon. We're going to take the deposit down, get it paid in cash so that we can reserve that truck, and then just wait for it to get here. They said by the end of the month. I'm hoping it's quicker than that. It is cold, it is rainy, it is windy, but it is a beautiful day because it is a T-Rex day. Just got a call from the Dodge dealer. The numbers line up. We have a deal. No markups whatsoever. We're going to trade in my Daytona 392 Charger and my Bighorn. We're going to get this deal done. Headed to the bank now to pick up the cash for the deposit, and the truck will be here by the end of the month. I can't wait for this. I never thought this day would come. My dream car has always been a Hellcat Challenger. I've had 2 Scat Packs, an RT Classic, and a V6 Challenger, but never a Hellcat. But we're going to jump that and go straight to the Hellcat Truck. So today is paperwork time. Got to go to the bank, pick up the cash, make the deposit so no one else can buy the truck, and then we'll sign the paperwork. This truck should be here by the end of the month, according to the dealer. It's at what they call the railhead. I'm assuming that's a train station where the vehicles are delivered from the manufacturer, and then they get put on a truck and driven to dealers all across the state. That location is about 3 hours away, but in my experience with ordering trucks from this dealer, it can take anywhere from 2 days to 2 weeks to get your car once it hits that railhead. So, well, that's it. Paperwork is done. I can't sign the actual contracts until the truck is delivered. Once we do the final paperwork, everything will be done, but the deposit has been made. The truck is mine. Estimated delivery will be the end of this month. I officially have the first TRX in my city. My guy Jim at Crown Dodge of Fayetteville is the first salesman to sell one. They have a launch edition that has been deposit has been placed on, but it won't be here anytime soon. So I will have the first official TRX in Fayetteville, North Carolina. I can't wait. I can't tell you what that means to me. I love Crown Dodge of Fayetteville. This is not a paid product placement. I just, nothing but great customer service every time I go. and I couldn't be more excited about this vehicle purchase. It's a dream truck at a minimum. It's my dream truck at a very minimum. But the content that I'm going to get from this truck, the things that I want to do with this truck, I just can't wait. So stay tuned, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you get notified of all the videos. They're going to call me when the truck comes in. I'm hoping to get footage of it coming off the truck, but at the very least, hopefully within the next week or two, I'll be taking delivery of my 2021 Ram TRX, and I can't wait. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.
24 hours later.
We are here. Gotta find that truck. There it is. Worked out good timing. Looks like they didn't put any plastic on it. That's fine, I don't care. When will I get to take it home? I know they have inspections and stuff to do.
Should be a second.
Okay, cool. No rush, I wasn't expecting it until next week.
I was surprised. When I got in, they said it's coming today. I said, wow, okay. You didn't put anything on.
I paid $660 yesterday on the charger.
Cold start! I wish I would known to start and what about it while it's so It's got the lights and the head scoop. Look at that, baby. Yeah, you know who's going to take over this shit. I want to see it.
Here's your fobs.
So Jim, you're the first salesman to sell one of these in Fayetteville, and I'm the first buyer.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah, we are. Thanks, Jessica.
I know, I called him begging. I was like, you gotta make this happen.
Yeah, Jim has the mileage.
Yeah, I got that.
So we were told that I get a free Hellcat shirt.
I'm sorry, did you say something? Hey, so I checked out that dude. We showed them about him jumping.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That dude's
And then he met up with another dude who bought one who
Yeah.
drove here from California, drove to
That's
wherever.
tall guy.
Yes, like 6'10".
Yeah, he's wild. I like their channels.
I'll have to look this up. So we were just telling him how we were promised a free Hellcat shirt because every time we get a bigger engine, I always have a shirt to go with the bigger engine. And now we no longer have a Scat Pack. We have a Hellcat engine. So
We'll have to go look for a shirt.
we'll have to go find a Hellcat shirt.
Heck yeah.
How you like that iPad Pro?
Love it, man. This thing is awesome.
I'm not allowed to ever have one of those again.
Well,
She
great
broke
choice.
3 in 4 days.
Dude, well, I know somebody who can replace the screen.
I can.
But the screens are like $250.
More than that on
Right.
those.
Yeah.
Today's the
Almost time.
19th. Yes.
No.
I'm gonna clean the truck out tonight when we
You take
leave.
the new one with you too, right?
Yeah, but I'm gonna come back up here tomorrow before I go to work and clean the Charger out.
Sweet.
The Charger's clean on the inside. I never drove it, but the trunk is full.
Okay.
The Charger has 3,700 miles on it.
It stayed parked.
What we talked about, 1373. Sign right in here and hit save.
So no paperwork this time. It's just
Oh, no, there's papers.
Oh, okay.
Lots of papers.
Are you-
Hit save. You know messing.
He flies airplanes. RC planes.
Yep. Drones.
I haven't even figured out how to shoot. Listen, I flew my drone into a roll of paper towels in the house, and it chopped them up like you would expect it to do. But it did. I was going back and forth, and it started beeping. I was trying to land it manually instead of just letting it land on its own, and I flicked that thumbstick a little too hard, and it flew right into a roll of paper towels.
And then he blamed it on the dog.
Oh, the dog was barking and raising all kinds of hell at it.
He said, the dog chewed up the paper towels.
I can't wait to get the drone home because I haven't taken it home yet, and I'm gonna put the dogs in the
You haven't
backyard.
taken it home yet.
I keep it at my store.
Ah.
But I'm gonna take it home and put the dogs in the backyard, right? And I'm gonna go out front and launch it, and I'm gonna go in the backyard and fly just above the dogs and see what they do because they hate the vacuum cleaner and anything.
Intentionally drag them nuts.
I want to see what they do.
Initial sign.
Alright, let's walk out and see the new baby.
We'll do the pump.
Oh yeah, because, you know, COVID regulations. Before you start it, Coy, let me walk out to the back by the tailpipe so you can do the first cold start. When you start it though, you gotta do the tap, 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 like the vroom, vroom.
Congratulations, brother.
Thanks,
So
sir.
appreciate you.
I'll see y'all tomorrow night.
License plate, so it's official.
Sweet ride.
Oh, yeah.
Just one to pay, Bill.
Yep.
Just think in 6 months we'll bring it in with chicken nuggets and french fries in the seats. Typical
It's like
Coy.
hometown. I didn't check, make sure the address was right.
Oh, this thing is so sweet.
What's that?
I know you have the shops.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I've been following this truck since summer when it was announced, so I've seen everything.
There we go. Those things are cool.
All right, I'm gonna go do the start. We gotta go get
All right,
the kids.
I'll have the phone.